Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy oven roasted chicken. To get started, here I have some leg quarters that I went ahead and washed in vinegar and lemon juice. And to season my chicken, I will be using some complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon. I have ginger powder, garlic and onion powder, some dry herbs. I have some olive oil, smoked paprika, and some black pepper. All the ingredients will be listed down below. First, we'll combine all of the seasonings into a bowl, mix and set aside. This will make it easier to distribute onto the chicken. If you place these seasonings individually, what will happen is some of the chicken will get the seasonings and some won't. And you don't want that. You want it evenly distributed, so we'll mix it together first, then add it to the chicken. Next, we'll add our olive oil to the chicken and we'll rub that in. This will help the seasonings to adhere to the chicken. Then we will generously coat the chicken with our seasonings on all sides. We will even lift the skin and make sure that that seasoning gets all the way up in there. Then we will allow this to marinate for about an hour or two. If you have time and you can let it marinate longer, go right ahead. Remember, all of these ingredients and the measurements will be listed down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is your chance to go right ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget, guys, to like, share, and comment. Once the chicken is done marinating, we'll now place it into our baking dish. And this is the part where you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll place the chicken into the oven for about 30 minutes and then I'll show you guys the next step. After 30 minutes, we'll now brush some melted butter over top of our chicken. This will help the skin to crisp up and become nice and golden brown. Then we'll place it back into the oven for about 15 minutes. Then I'll show you guys the next step. So 45 minutes in, the chicken has released a lot of juices. What we'll do is baste the chicken with these juices. This will help the chicken to stay moist and juicy. Then we'll place it back into the oven for about 15 to 20 more minutes. Then we'll be ready to serve. So this is the finished product of my delicious roasted chicken. It is succulent, juicy, and full of flavor. Everything you would want in a roasted chicken. Today I'll be enjoying my chicken with some vegetable cook-up rice and some stir-fried vegetables. But this can be paired with almost anything. It is super versatile and I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. You will not regret it. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!